Okay, so what's BTEC Sport? Now, BTEC Sport is a more vocationally based course. It's the same as a GCSE in that you have to learn information. However, it differs in the way it is assessed. Now, on BTEC Sport, your work is usually coursework. It's based around a scenario, for example, linked to the world of work. So, for instance, a coach within a sports centre. The course is 2 years long and it's worth exactly the same as a GCSE. So how is BTEC Sport assessed? Now, BTEC Sport is 75% coursework and 25% exam. Now, the coursework is made up of 3 units and the exam is obviously 1. Now, the good news is you get 2 attempts at each piece of coursework and you also get 2 attempts at your exam. Okay, grading for BTEC is very different from GCSEs. As you can see on this slide, that grading varies from distinction star all the way down to ungraded. Now, when you do a unit, you will get a grade from a distinction to an ungraded. However, at the end of the course, you add up your grades for all 4 units, and then you can potentially achieve all the way up to a distinction star. In the blue are the approximate grades in relation to GCSE. Okay, on this slide, you'll see the units that are involved within BTEC Sport. Units 1 to 3 are core units. These are basically units that you have to cover. Unit 1 is the online exam, then Unit 2 and 3 are internally assessed units. Now, you have other units which are optional units, which are units 4, 5 and 6. You have to do one of these to make up your 4 units. As a school, we tend to do Unit 5, which is the sports performer in action. Okay, so why choose BTEC Sport? Well, firstly, you're going to have a love of sport. Secondly, you might want to study it in further education and potentially move on into a career within the sports industry. Now, other great things about this course is there's less exams on it. So therefore, if you don't like exams, then this could potentially be a great course for you. However, to be successful in this course, you will need to be a competent sports performer. Okay, so with BTEC Sport being obviously about practically taking part in sport, as well as doing a lot of writing about sport, you will gain a lot of skills, whether these be things like teamwork, leadership, coaching and teaching, and so on, or more in terms of writing skills like your ability to describe or explain or analyze. This course will develop many skills, and which will be very beneficial to you in the future. So you might be wondering how BTEC Sport could potentially lead to a job. Well, the sports industry in the UK is massive. There are so many different job opportunities out there. On this slide, you can see just a few of those jobs.